Charm. God bless from Tita Ella.
Happy birthday, Tres. Thank you for your support. God bless.
Happy 40th birthday, ate. Thank you for everything. Love na love ka namin. Sobrang na-appreciate ka namin. Thank you sa lahat. We love you. Happy birthday!
We gon' celebrate and have a good time. It's time to come together. It's up to you. What's your pleasure? Everyone around the world, come on! It's a celebration.
Hi, Ma! Happy birthday! Huwag kang kakaba-kaba, mahaba pa ang buhay. And Ma, thank you for dealing with me for the last 12 years of my life. And I hope na maging masaya yung araw mo ngayon, and so will be all of your birthdays to come. So, nothing in this world would be much more beautiful than a life with my mother. That's it.
Hello, Charm. Happy 40th birthday. I know you're very excited for this event of yours. And of course, we invited all the people that you love. At sana it will bring a happy memory sa'yo. And God bless you. May all the beautiful desires of your heart come true. We love you.
It's a celebration. Celebrate good times, come on. Come on and celebrate tonight. 'Cause everything's gonna be alright.
Ngayon kami po ay nagpupulit nagpapasalamat sa inyo sa isang gabi, Panginoon, na binuno niyo po ng pagpapala, Panginoon. Isang gabi ng kung saan kikilalanin namin, Panginoon, yung magagandang bagay na patuloy mong ginagawa sa buhay ni Charmaine. And sa gabing ito, na pag-celebrate namin ng iyong katapatan, ng iyong pag-ibig at biyaya, kaya mo, Panginoon, na patuloy ka namin maluwalhati sa gabing ito at kilalanin namin patuloy, Panginoon, ang mga bagay na patuloy mo pang gagawin sa buhay niya. Yun lamang po sa dakilang pangalan ng aming Panginoong Yesus. Amen.
Wala ba kayo mga kapatid? Hey!
go a little something like this.
Once again, let's give it up to Ma'am Charm and Company! Palakpakan naman natin sila.
Una po, maraming salamat sa lahat ng dumalo sa iba't ibang panig ng Pilipinas. Maraming salamat. I really appreciate it. So, sabi nila, bakit daw ako nag-party? 40 pa lang. So, ang intention ko po talaga, kasi my mom died too early, same with my dad. So, I just want to celebrate life. Especially, di ba, yes. I just want to celebrate life and the goodness of God. Hindi lang sa akin, kundi sa entire family ko. Yan. And to always create memories. Maraming salamat sa mga ka-office mate ko na galing sa Manila, sa blackmates ko na galing pa ng Laguna, tapos sa mga kamag-anak ko, friends and colleagues, relatives, and of course, the St. Mary family and my family, may mga pinsan ko, lahat sila. So, parte po kayo lahat ng buhay ko at maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
Gonna tell you
Once again, let's give... Okay, lahat pa po ay tumayo! Tayo daw po lahat! Let's go with the hot moments! Let's go! Tayo po lahat! Ladies and gentlemen, tayo po tayo lahat! Hey!
Tayo po tayo lahat.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Hindi magsayaw, walang extra
Tayo
right!
po lahat!
I'm loose, loose, and everybody knows I get off the train. Baby's the truth, the truth. I'm like Inception, I play with your
Tayo po
Hindi
lahat!
magsayaw,
Tayo po
walang extra
tayo!
right! Para sa extra right!
Hey!
Don't get it confused, no, cause you will lose, yeah.
Let's go! Let's dance together! Let's go! Come on!
Like a Tonka truck.
Hey!
If you go hard, you gotta get on the floor. If you're a party freak, then step on the floor. If you're an animal, then tear up the floor, break the sweat on the floor. Yeah, we work on the floor. Don't stop, keep it moving, put your drinks up. Bring your body up and drop it on the floor.
Go, mami!
Let the rhythm change your world on the floor. You know we're running straight
May ganyan, bawal.
to the floor. Brazil, Morocco, London to Ibiza, straight to LA, New York, Vegas to Africa. Dance the night away, live your life and stay on the floor. Dance the night away, grab somebody, drink a little more.
Aring ting ting ting. Aring ting ting ting.
3, 2, 1, stay!
I know you got it, clap your hands on the floor and keep on rocking, rock it up on the floor. If you're a criminal, kill it on the floor, steal it quick on the floor, on the floor. Don't stop, keep
Sayaw
it
po tayo po, extra right!
It's getting ill, it's getting sick on the floor. We never quit, we never rest on the floor. If I ain't wrong, we probably die on the floor. Brazil, Morocco, London to Ibiza, straight to LA, New York, Vegas to Africa. Dance the night away, live your life and stay on the floor. Dance the night away, grab somebody, drink a little more.
Everybody, let's dance! Let's go! Come on! Hey! Hey! 3, 1, go! Calm down! Everything! Hey!
It's like a trunk full of bass and I'm old school shit.
Dance the night away, grab somebody, drink a little more. On the floor.
Isang malakas ang walakpakan na may kasawang sigaw, John Charm and the rest of the team!
It's fine. It's cool. You can say that we are nothing, but you know the truth. And yes, I'm the fool. With her arms out like an angel through the car sunroof. I don't wanna call it off, but you don't wanna call it love. You just wanna be the one that I call baby. You can kiss 100 boys and cars. Shoot another shot, trying to stop the feeling. You can say it's just the way you are. Make a new excuse, another stupid reason. Good luck, babe. Well, good luck, babe. You'd have to stop the world just to stop the feeling. Good luck, babe. Well, good luck, babe. You'd have to stop the world just to stop the feeling.
a sexually explicit kind of love affair, and I cry. It's not fair. I just need a little love, I just need a little air. Think I'm gonna call it off, even if we call it love. I just love someone who calls me baby. You can kiss 100 boys in the first shoot another shot, trying to stop the feeling. You can say it's just the way you are, mate, and you excuse another stupid reason. Good luck, babe. Well, good luck, babe. You'd have to stop the world just to stop the feeling. Good luck, babe. Well, good luck, babe. You'd have to stop the world just to stop the feeling. And when you wake up next to him in the middle of the night, with your head in your hands, you're nothing more than his wife. And when you think about me, all of those years ago, you're standing face to face with I told you so. You know I hate to say it, but I told you so. You know I hate to say it, but I told you so. You can kiss 100 boys in first shoot another shot, trying to stop the feeling. You can say it's just the way you are, mate, and you excuse another stupid reason. Good luck, babe. Well, good luck, babe. You'd have to stop the world just to stop the feeling. Good luck, babe. Well, good luck, babe. You'd have to stop the world just to stop the feeling. You'd have to stop the world just to stop the feeling. You'd have to stop the world just to stop the feeling. You'd have to stop the world just to stop the feeling.
Okay, lahat daw po ng naka-retro outfit, hari po kayo dito sa gitna. Ganito mangyayari. Dahil kayo po ay naka-retro theme outfit, syempre, hindi po namin palalampasin ang pagkakataon na yan upang ito'y inyong irarampa sa gitna. Ayan, sige, ayan. Pause. Abante,
Virgil M. Algandro, Laguna, naniniwalang at masaya ang lahat kang sama-sama.
Ako nga pala si Jake from Canada. Happy birthday po, Ate Charm.
Palakpakan naman natin.
Jody got married.
Hey, 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 hey! Hey, hey! Pose! Pose! Di nyo kaya. Alright. Hop!
Norland Ocampo, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Happy birthday, Charm. Kasabihan? Wala akong kasabihan eh.
Driving, and that's when I met you, yeah. Standing on mama's porch, you told me that you wait for love. Oh, when you held my hand, I knew that it was now or never.
Sakto yun. Good evening everyone. Ako nga po pala si Pang, taga London. Kung maniwala ka. So, may kasabihan po tayo. Hayaan nyo sa kanila yun. Naniniwala po ako, pag nadapa ka, ang sakit.
Palakpakan naman po.
Kaya po mag-iingat tayo palagi. Thank you!
Ayan na. Palakpakan naman. Hoy! 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 Pose!
Yeah. There you go. Good evening everyone, I'm Jaisel po. Naniniwala ako sa kasabihan na walang kanin na tutong kapag tayo ay gutom na.
Hey!
magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Happy birthday, Charm. Happy birthday. Ako po si Irene Escolar. Taga rito po ako sa Barangay Cambio. May kasabihan po tayo. Walang matigas na pandesal sa mainit na kape.
I'm a teenager at Payawan. Ang batang mabait ay pinagpapala ng Diyos.
Yes, here you go, madam.
Magandang gabi po. Happy birthday, Charm. Noraline from Pinambaran. May kasabihan tayo, pag may tinanim, may didiligin.
Oh! Palakpakan naman, let's go!
I'm Melissa Santos from Buliran. Kaya ginawa ko lang to para mapasaya kita. Kasi mahal kita. Gusto ko maging masaya ka kasi ito ang gusto mo. May kasabihan po tayo na life begins at 40. Kaya mag-enjoy po tayo lahat. Alam naman natin na tayo puro mga may edad na. Happy birthday lahat.
Magandang gabi po. I'm Imelda from Cambio. Mari, pasensya ka na wala akong kasabihan. Happy birthday na lang. I love you!
Yun. Hey, hey, hey! Hey! Yep.
My name is Carolina Gabriel from Salakot. May kasabihan po tayo, kapag may tiyaga, may nilaga. Thank you!
Hala. Hey!
Happy birthday, Ate Charm. Kasabihan ko lang. I'm Anjanette Tayawal. Ang nanay po ako nitong batang makulit na to. Yun lang po, wala po akong kasabihan.
Here we go! Sino po ang pabor at boto sa ating first candidate? Candidate number 1! Wow! Ang daming fans. Okay, we also have candidate number 2! Okay. What about candidate number 3? Okay, what about our last candidate, candidate number 4? Okay, meron na pong desisyon. Alright, next candidate tayo. Candidate number, ito muna, si Madam. Candidate number 2. Okay, pwede. What about candidate number 3? Okay, let's proceed with candidate number 4. Okay, candidate number 5. Okay, let us see. Candidate number 6. What about candidate number 7? Okay, last candidate, candidate number 8. Wala pa? Ayan, ayan. Goes to candidate number 1. Congratulations! Okay, lapit po kayo kay Ma'am Shirley. O, yun yung premyo! Ano din? Candidate number 5! Congratulations! Yay! Malakpakan naman natin! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Hey! Hey! ng isang happy birthday si Ma'am Charm. Ready? Alright, here we go. Ilakas po natin. And 3, 2, 1. Everybody say... Wala pa ka na may kasamang sigaw si Ma'am Charm. Thank you so much. Maaari na po tayo maupo. Thank you so much for your participation.
Happy birthday, Kay, sa pinakamaganda naming pinsan. Birthday mo naman kasi, kaya talaga ikaw ang pinakamaganda ngayon sa lahat. Wala nang tatalo. Alam mo, masayang-masaya kami kasi alam ko naman na napakabait mo. Kaya sana maraming blessing pang dumating sa'yo para marami ka pang matulungan. Happy birthday. Thanks sa 1K. Marami na akong mabibiling gamot.
Kung paano nyo po nakikitang nakangiti si Kay, inside and out po yun. Ano po, very amazed kami sa pagiging positive spirit person mo. We are very much proud kung anong naging ka na sa ngayon. Very, very proud kami doon. And we are very thankful po na kaming magkakabarkada ay nagkakasama-sama. Twice na po ito sa birthday celebration niya. So, we wish you all the best. Alam namin that God will really bless you because you are truly a very good person. Okay? So, we love you, Kay.
Believe it or not, you changed my life in a very special way because you're my most tenured. Wag na senior kasi does not sound right. So, my only prayer is, yung lagi ko sinasabi, may the Lord bless you and keep you. May He make His face shine upon you, be gracious to you, lift up His countenance upon you, and give you peace. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Charm. Alam mo naman, I love you so much. Alam niya yun. Ewan ko kung sasabihin ni Charm kung sino ang maswerte. Siya bilang nanugang ko o ako na biyanan niya. Ako, alam ko maswerte ko at siya ay naging manugang ko. Happy birthday. Sip-sip yan, sip-sip.
Happy birthday. Alam mo naman kung gaano ka namin kamahal. Kaming mga kapatid mo. Hindi lang kami, hindi lang dahil sa mga tulong na ginagawa mo sa amin, sa paggagabay mo sa amin. Basta more good health para marami ka pa rin matulungan, and I love you. Happy birthday.
Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Anak, happy birthday. Wish ko lang good health. More blessings. Kasi as sabi ko sa iyo, your blessings to others. And we may not be related by blood, but we are related by heart. And alam mo yun. You know how much we love you, your tatay up there, mga kapatid mo. We love you very much. Okay. Hindi ho, we are not related by blood. We just met her sa Manila, sa office ng husband ko. And hindi ho namin alam kung bakit ganun namin siya, nakilala namin siya ng husband ko, kung bakit ganun siya kalapit sa amin. Parang may nag-udyok sa amin na i-adapt namin siya kasi hindi ho rin namin ma-explain ng husband ko bakit hindi ho namin siya kakilala talaga sa office lang talaga. And since then, sinabihan siya ng husband ko, since wala ka ng tatay, wala ka ng nanay, anak ka na lang namin, ina-adapt ka namin ni mami mo. So, simula ngayon, ikaw ang panganay naming anak. And up to now, kahit na wala na yung yung husband ko, alam ho na yung mga anak ko, mahal-mahal din ho siya. Hindi siya tinuring na iba. Talagang tinuring siyang kapatid. Kaya ang tawag sa kanya mga anak ko, pag tinatanong kami, ilan anak nyo? 4. Kasi 3 lalaki yung anak namin. So pag sinasabi, ilan anak nyo? 4. Isang babae yung panganay at saka yung 3 lalaki yung sunod-sunod. Alam mo, Charm, na masayang-masayang tatay mo sa taas. Sa totoo lang po talaga, grabe ho talaga ang pagmamahal namin sa batang to. Wala, ano ho talaga. Para ka namin siyang tunay na anak. Kulang lang ho talaga lumabas siya sa akin. Pero mahal na mahal ho namin to. Lalo na ho ng husband ko. Kung gaano siya kamahal. Wish ko sa iyo, anak, good health. And salamat sa kahit na wala si tatay mo, andiyan ka pa rin sa amin. Kinukumusta mo kami kahit malayo kami, anak. Kahit nasa Manila kami. Andiyan ka pa rin. Hindi ka nakakalimot sa amin. Stop crying. And salamat anak. Salamat sa lahat. Nagpapasalamat kami sa Diyos at binigay ka sa amin. Salamat. Happy birthday.
Okay, so first of all, I want to thank you for being my mother and putting up with me and your problems with me for the last 12 years, 5 months, and 26 days of my life. Gusto mo ba yung hours, minutes, na seconds? Ika-calculate ka na yun. Okay, so thank you for putting up with me, with your problems with me. Thank you for being patient with me. Thank you for everything that you could have provided to me as a mother. I know you're trying to do your best because you lost Lola Nene at a very young age. And I'm here saying it, you're doing the best you can. You're doing what you can to provide for me. Kahit kung ako yung pinaka tawag ron, hindi ko rin alam kung ano sa English eh. Kahit kung ako ang hard-headed na bata sa aming magpipinsan, both maternal and paternal sides. Kahit nga sa mga mag-friend group ako yung pinaka-hard-headed. Thank you for putting up with me. Thank you for everything. Secondly, di pa pala tapos yung first part ko. Thank you. Sorry. Also, thank you for defending me every time kung nag-aano si Papa. Takot ako dyan eh. Okay, secondly, I want to remind you na mahaba pa yung buhay. Huwag kang kakaba-kaba na hanggang 42. Hindi 42 minutes ang buhay mo. Always remember, kung kakaba-kaba ka, mawawala ka ng early. Ako mas kinakaba-kaba ako. Because I don't know what I'd do without you. Kahit kung, I may act like parang alam ko lahat sometimes, na parang ang laki-laki ng ulo ko. To be, but in truth, I'm just acting like that. So you wouldn't have to worry about me too much. So you wouldn't waste your precious time on me. So you won't be too worried about me. Nanonosleep ka na, sige. Tapos, thirdly, sorry. Sorry for me. Sorry for everything I've done. Sorry for all the wrongdoings I've done. This doesn't just apply to you, it applies to everybody I may have hurt or said the things that could scar them. But my utmost sorry is to you. Kasi ever since my birth, pinahirapan na kita. So, I might as well pay it back to you one day, whatever chance I may get. There is no life more beautiful than one being led by your mother. That's it. Thank you.
Ed?
Hey! Again, good evening po sa lahat. Ako po si James, asawa ni Charm, sa mga hindi nakakilala sa akin. And thank you for coming from sabi nga ni Charm, from the different places of the Philippines. No? Yes. Tita, galing na US. Yun, maraming salamat po. Happy birthday, Charm. Happy ka ba?
Yes.
Yun. I would like to talk not as a husband, but as a friend from Baguio. Ay, kakunti ang nakarelate. Ay, madami! So, I will talk as a friend. Kasi, I know my wife. Alam ko kung yung size ng ganito, ng ganyan. Alam ko siya as a person. Ang favorite niya, ang ayaw niya, ang gusto niya. Ganon. Alam ko din kung sino yung mga kaibigan niya. Akala lang niya, hindi ko alam. Ganon. And, John, I would like to talk as a friend sa'yo. Kasi in-observe kita. Sa mga nakakilala po kay Charm, alam natin kung gaano siyang kabuting tao. Hindi siya mabait. The word is, mabuti siyang tao. Mabuti siyang kaibigan. Na kapag naging kaibigan ka niya, ibinibigay niya talaga yung 101% niya as friend nyo. So, sa school, sa family namin, sa mga taong nakasama namin, either personal, business, or a chance of, kamukha nga po na sinasabi ni Mami Dory, ang gaan-gaan mong kasama. Hindi ako yung magpapatunay nun, sila. Na as a friend, as Charm, we are very grateful, we are very lucky na you are being part of our life. And syempre, swerte ka kasi nandito kami as a friend. Ganun. And thank you again po for not just being friend but a family. Maraming salamat po again sa lahat. Good evening po. Kakain na po tayo. Malapit na extra rice. and God bless us all. Thank you. I love you.
Ano ang sigaw ng madla? Alright, sir. Go ahead. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Di ba po, nanonood tayo ng pelikula, okay? Bibigyan ko kayo ng idea. Kung nanonood kayo ng Netflix or any pelikula, familiar po ba kayo sa Inside Out? Okay, yung mga characters po, iba-ibang emotion. Si joy, si sadness, si fear, si anxiety. Kilala niyo po sila? Yung iba-ibang kulay. Okay. So, ganito mangyayari. Hindi kayo sasayaw, hindi kayo rarampa tulad ng kanina. Hindi rin kayo kakanta, pero kayo ay magpapatagisan sa galing sa pag-arte. Ayan, naarte kayo. Here you go, lights, camera, action!
Happy birthday,
Here you go, 3, 2, 1, and lights, camera, action!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mommy Charm.
Uy, gusto ko may pag-inom. Meron pa yata. Ayan, eto na, lights, camera, action!
Happy birthday, Charm.
Here you go, lights, camera, action!
Charm! Tumayin mo na kayo! Magandang gabi, Charm. Happy birthday! At sa mga panauhin mong pandangal, magandang gabi din sa inyo.
Wow.
Para sa'yo.
Wow! Bakit parang politiko lang? Lights, camera, action!
Ay, kasi happy birthday, Charm! Happy birthday, Charm!
Okay, palakpakan naman natin. Audience ready? Let's go! Lights, camera, action!
Ayun, Aubrey? Hindi ko ako si Aubrey. Ay, October 4 pa yan ngayon. Happy birthday, Charm. Maging masaya ka. Sana nabusog kayo lahat ni Charm, ha. Birthday niya to, ha. Kisay mo lang, ha. Happy birthday.
Palak... Okay. Yung lalaki?
Yung pugoy at saka yung broken
Pugoy.
hearted.
Yung broken hearted daw. Okay, malakpakan naman natin sila. Dahil dyan, ito ba yung premyo nyo? Okay, ito daw, ito po. Okay, picture, ito isa.
Ay, so first, thank you very much po sa inyong lahat na dumalo at nakiisa. Una-muna nagpapasalamat ako sa supplier natin sa Chats Resorts for accepting us. So, Miss Kat, thank you. Kay Miss Risa, sa DJ, sa photo booth, sa lahat po ng suppliers na nandito, kila Ate Rose, sa mga angels ko na tumulong sa akin. So, yung lahat po nung shinare namin sa inyo na takeaway, personally ko po pinrepair yan, ginawa yan, kinonceptualize yan. Kasi lahat po yan, nag-represent kung sino ako. So, yung bracelet, di ba natatandaan nyo nung college tayo, I keep selling bracelet para may extra income ako. Gumagawa ako, yan, para may income ko. And then, yung pabango, kasi di ba mahilig ako mag-spray, ganyan. So, yun din pantaling sa buhok kasi I always have the long hair, kaya lagi siya nakatay. Kaya personally, nagre-represent siya sa akin. And then, thank you din sa family ko, sa friends, lalo tigit sa lahat sa asawa ko. Nasa na ba yung asawa ko? Ayun, chumichika sa gilid. Thank you very much, Daddy, for allowing me to have this kind of celebration. So, to be honest, sabi ko tinanong ako ni Daddy, kasi usually talaga, during my birthday hanggang anniversary, ang ginagawa namin celebration, nagta-travel kami. Kasi to create memories. Tapos ngayon, naisip ko, since 40 ako, sabi ko, Dad, pwede ba ako mag-birthday ng may celebration? Kasi mama ko namatay, 42, papa ko 56, parang sabi ko sobrang aga. So, ayoko naman na, hindi ko sinasabing na, gonna die soon. But, kung ganun yung genes ko, di ba may ganun eh, kahit ayaw natin, pero kung yung genes natin o yung DNA natin, nasa ganun track, di ba parang, it's so sad that we didn't able to celebrate life. Especially nung nangyari sa atin nung pandemic, di ba? We are so uncertain about life. So, eto, parang nagre-represent siya na everyday, i-celebrate natin yung buhay natin. Lagi tayong maging motivated, lagi tayong maging inspired, para everyday as we wake up, laging may magandang nangyayari sa atin. Sabi ko nga kanina, dun sa prayer ko, first thing na ginawa namin, we go to the church. Tapos sabi ko nga kay Lord, wala ako kung wala siya. At lahat ng meron ako, dahil din sa Kanya. So, yun din yung gusto ko sanang i-share sa inyong lahat. Most of you, alam niyo naman yung naging life ko eh. Yung mga pinsan ko, yung first early 20s ko, first decade nung life ko, yung mga pinsan ko, ayan, kasama ko sila. Then, the second decade of my life, yung blackmates ko, na, sa totoo, kung hindi dahil sa kanila, hindi ako makakagraduate. Kasi, sila yung support system ko nung nag-aaral ako. Yung may mga times na pag-give up na, hindi dahil hindi ko kayang mag-aral, kundi dahil ang daming burden na dinadala ko na sa kanila, pagkasama ko sila, tawa lang sila ng tawa. Tawa lang ako ng tawa pagkasama ko sila. Tapos lagi nila ako tinatawag na kayang. That reminds me na kaya ko. Kaya ko. Kaya hanggang ngayon na narinig yung tawag nila sa akin kayang kasi sabi, kinakaya ko. And then, after that, I went to work. Nakilala ko yung mga ka-office mate ko, yung colleagues ko in my next decade, in my third decades of life, which is, naging married na din ako, na nagkaroon na ng bagong chapter. Sobrang thankful ko na nagkaroon ako ng asawa na supportive, tapos maunawain, at saka motivational. As in talagang pusher yan eh. Pinupush niya kami lagi. Hindi lang ako, the entire team. Di ba, Rainiel? Grabe man-push yan. Push lang ng push hanggang magkaroon kami ng breakthrough dun sa mga kakayanan namin, sa mga capacity namin. And then the last chapter, na nag-strengthen, na-develop kung ano ko, yung maturity. Kasi maturity comes in different pace. Sa iba't ibang sitwasyon, sa iba't ibang pagkakataon. But what I really want to tell is, yung maturity is always comes from within. Na kahit gaano kagulo yung paligid natin, kahit na anong klase pa yung pinanggalingan natin, but deep within our heart, deep inside us, kung ano tayo, it will always shine out to others in us. So, kaya sa mga in-laws ko, hindi ako na-bless nung family kasi sabi ko nga, may ultimate dream. Tinanong kasi ni James noon, nung bago kami mag-get married, sabi niya, what is your ultimate dream? Sabi ko sa kanya, huwag kang tatawa ha. Tapos sabi niya, bakit naman? Sabi ko, my ultimate dream is to have a family. Kasi at a very young age, naghiwa-hiwalay kami magkakapatid, kami ng parents ko. So parang I'm always longing to have a family. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, yun yung ultimate dream ko, to have a family. Na hindi ako na-bless doon sa biological na yon, na magkakasama kami, pero nandyan sila Mami, the Garcia family, na ibinigay ni Lord sa akin. Na yung dinream ko, nandito sila lahat. Sila kuya, sila ate. As in, nagkaroon ako ng ate, hindi lang isa, dalawa, ba tatlo, even Ate Cathy. Then, ganun din yung mga kuya ko. I'm always longing for the presence of my brothers. Pero sila kuya, lagi silang nandyan. Kaya, maraming salamat sa aking Garcia family, kila ma'am. Lalo-lalo na kay mami. Yeah. And kay Wawa, si Wawa, yung time na, sabi nga ni Wawa kanina, sila ni tatay, yung hindi kami related by blood, pero we are related by heart. Yan. So thank you so much, Wawa. At sa mga tropa namin, sa mga kaibigan namin, na hindi man tayo laging nagkakasama, but we know that the bond is really, really strong. Same din sa mga pinsan ko. So again, maraming salamat po. At kila Ma'am Margie, yan, kahit pasaway ako minsan sa trabaho, they surprise me. Babawi ako, ma'am. Busy lang talaga. Pero babawi po ako. Yan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo sa munti naming preparation. Sis, thank you din. Thank you.